Mole guy tension based on high voltage doing with all pop up. Check your time right now for the 2 minutes. Base leave 9 a.m. already on top today, the 22nd day of August 2023. And you know what time it is now. Now that time to take yarn with the latest evictee from the Big Brother Naija All Stars. I will get the one and only, the biggest man in the building, Kid Wire.
Alpha, my people.
It's been 3 years, right? The last time.
You
don't have it dance now.
I sabi dance now.
No, before you know sabi dance.
For this place.
Yes, and you tried dance the last time when you continued years ago. And you know if you do anything.
Yeah, you get a video.
We supposed to get the video for social media.
Supposed to get the video now.
No, we need evidence. We'll try dance after this interview.
This is my outfit title.
You don't give excuse already.
Spoiler my I still get plenty places to go.
Okay, no problem. Welcome, bro. On your side now.
Thank you. But before we start, we can give you your flowers.
Okay.
So you look fresh today.
I look sweet now. We don't try now. Sweeter sugar zaddy.
It's good now. I love to come up.
Thank you. You look great too. So sharply right now, as the latest evictee, you yarn something on Sunday, say you try give us another Kid Wire this time for this Big Brother Naija All Star, but it don't work. Why you feel say this Kid Wire when you give us different from the one we see 3 years ago?
That Kid Wire from before.
Yeah.
That one are more nonchalant, playful, flirty guy. Person will be like one chase girls and have that kind of fun. But this one, like gameplay now, this one they see a politician campaigning Kid Wire. Because if they see the rule book, Biggie say this season there's no embargo on what you call them? No embargo on
what you if you do. Okay.
Which means run them how you want run them. If you want talk about person where you go nominate, run them. So the reason I'm saying if they tell us play game. Don't play game.
You're supposed to control with that game.
You're supposed to play game now. Nobody say I want chase babe again. I want this one. But I want to play game now. So I want to show you guys this is a different Kid Wire. Make you sit down and enjoy them. But be like say people want to see that Kid Wire from before.
When you get pride. When they chase babe.
You understand? So, but it's all good now. Everyone knows.
Because just a little bit more, take one step back. You may mention right the last time you entered there to go fleet and chase babe, which actually results to you and Erica arrangement. After the house, it be like soon I be one try keep up with the arrangement, but one thing lead to another, it not can work. Now, based on that experience, you make up your mind. Say this time, may everybody get out, or now because of your serious relationship outside.
I get a relationship outside now, so I don't want to spoil that one. That one to me is the most important thing. So I even told every babe in the house, I said, look, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Do in that kind of arrangement,
because of your serious relationship outside.
But most of the girls they chase me now. But I said, look, I don't want.
Which of the girls they really chase?
They know themselves now.
No. You dey inside there. I want to assume say we now we don't know now why this interview dey important. Which of the girls you feel say you start the one color be you based on who you be?
You know what's the show?
I know. I want to pretend say I never watch out right now. Just tell us based on your.
Go YouTube, I think they're
mistaken and I'm Mercy.
How many housemates there for the house, girls?
There are plenty small. I don't mention name Mercy.
But how many housemates did? Now 10 girls I be.
Yes, 10 girls, right? Yeah.
Then all 10.
Yeah. The whole 10 they chase you.
All 10.
So why you feel say out of the whole guys inside the house, now you or the girls get eye for?
They know now.
Because of your money.
I don't say anything now. They know.
I don't say anything now. Man to man be this.
I don't say anything now, but they know now. They know why they chase. Person will get Wire as last name, Kid as first.
Kid Wire. Can wire anything with a blink of an eye.
You know that.
So that one go drive me to the next point. Knowing fully well, say you get relationship outside. I remember you even make you were very boastful about my girl, the guests here. So dirty, they know they cook, they know they clean. Man, my woman outside. I can't be like, oh. This is your girl as I be like saying a wife material you get. Why you make that kind of assumption inside the house about those ladies inside?
No. First of all, I don't want to say anything bad about these girls. These girls are all great girls. You know, in the house when you see some things, emotions are high and everything now. But they're all great girls. They're all doing their things. So make I not miss Yan something. Okay. Maybe you say go spoil their game. They all do very well. So,
but to that cooking and cleaning part, it be like you felt emotional about and be like, at least they're supposed to do some of all these things. But
that one depend on the boy because every day we go wake up every blessed day. We go pack hair, we go pack nails, we go clean, cook. So at some point we don't tie now for the matter now because girls that walk around house say we be queen and more, but you know.
And you know they clean.
You don't want to do anything.
And they make on it one.
And now, so that's why we run and say like these girls are behaving some type of way. But the truth is, I'm sure they're all great girls on the outside, but just make it help the guys with inside the house small. You understand? But it's okay now. They're all good girls.
They're all good
Shout out to the
girls.
girls.
No, okay. Now just say they not reach the level of your woman outside.
Any guy will get girl now. You ain't gonna say no girl reached this level now. So
Okay.
that's the ones. That's just based on my.
Yours
my own
based
love for
on
my girl.
what you see.
But if the girls get one guy, they gonna say other guys not there. Their man's level. Do you understand? So that's just how it is now.
Okay, you speak from where you actually did, not be saying 100% true. You go
No, now my
support
own.
who you ever did.
But
with.
if you get wife now, you gonna say no
No,
girl.
you don't be
reach
talk
your wife.
about of your wife because you did with your wife.
Now, if you
Yeah.
get girlfriend now, you gonna say no girl there on your girl's level. It's just
how life.
it's just how people talk. But I'm saying that true from your own perspective is different now.
Okay, couple of days ago, even before you did evicted, something happened. I don't know if now after the Unapo party or I try the precise. Something between you and Messi, okay, one of the big when you say guy for you, happen when it don't lead to some kind of arrangement outside the house where also they affect your relationship. What happen? You and Messi kiss. I just want to make you let her waiting lead to that because I think that the first person when you kiss inside the house now be that. This is a bit. Say maybe I don't see all that kissing you will get. But why? Waiting how it happen between you and Messi? Okay.
Which kiss?
Waiting transpire.
Which kiss? Video there.
You go explain.
No, I want video there. You go explain time.
But Messi talk am when
Which
Ebuka ask
talk?
Messi deny. So as after that, Messi come dey talk say see wetin really happen, but he personally deny, and I think not do that one to me right now because they outside the house. Not deny wetin really just transpire when he lead to that
No,
kiss.
See, you know,
Was it because of the alcohol?
See, you know, me and Messi are naturally flirty. We kind of people.
When I flirt.
We're not just flirt now, you know, but playful. She's like,
Okay.
she's like in some ways a female version of me in some ways. So we're just naturally,
Where it gets more pride.
yeah, we're just naturally flirty and playful now, and that's all it is now.
The
When
kissing just come from the flirting.
Yeah, I don't know.
But not deep kiss. Not deep kiss.
No, be serious anything. Now.
Okay.
No,
Now
just, no, be serious anything. Nothing.
now you dare explain. Not they let me explain your kiss.
That day, everybody don't shy now. You don't see how much gain was the puff our blood. Smell of the pack and well for that house. You know, shy enter the matter well now, but everything that cruise in that house.
Now cruise.
Everything that cruise.
So now when we say that particular action, because when the thing happen, I'm not sure say anybody really overthink, and when Ibuka raised the question inside the house, that on Sunday Vision show, right? Yeah.
Sunday Vision, yeah.
Yeah. I want just break with you just try. If you say the outside fans, this fans of Big Brother Naija to every housemate, they overreact on top games when the individuals they play inside.
The people that play their game anyhow. You know, people are trying their best, but they attach emotion
to them. They judge them based on that.
Judge them based on that now. Judge them based on the game they're playing. See,
Don't
when you watch football now, you go judge the tactics now. You go judge how the players they play their game. Don't say you go judge them. If one person misses a goal, you go say that guy. You go insult him. Say now how you be on the outside. You don't watch game now. They appreciate the game. Do you understand?
So for everybody inside the house right now, who you believe say it come with the A game when they follow up with game? Because
I think Messi is very strategic, and she did do waiting, she did plan from before. Then Perret, they also run his own game. You say like him be the general, him be the hard guys, him they run that one as well. Yeah. But everybody they play their own game, everybody they play their own game, and that's why I respect all of Una. You understand? So they try well.
They try. Okay. Your time for the house right now. Where you go say be your highlights inside the house?
I won't lie. My highlight now when I won HFH because that if you see first of all when. Person go look at Kickboy and say, get balance. You understand? Based on how I be now. But when I went up against Neo get balance. Neo to do rollerblading, to do all that kind. He get the structure, he get the body, he get long legs, long everything. Yeah. So when we did go head to head, in fact, I think there was 6 of us that line up for fronts where we do this game. Everybody gets better balance. You understand? So when I won that one, it was a very sweet moment, and I was the one that started. That balcony for HFH, I was the one that started that whole you stand there and talk to people and everything. And let me start them now. Now everybody that run them now. So you understand? So I led them with that kind of legacy. But HFH week was my highlights for sure.
Well, if I ask you right now, looking back at the time when you spent the house and you say maybe they give you another opportunity. I don't know if you could ever did, but they say maybe you make changes to the whole arrangement of this season all star, what you go without changes when you go make?
No changes now. I like the way I play my game. It's just that people didn't understand
where you come from.
Where I come from. They wanted to see the kid from before, but that kid from before.
But you just say really want to see that kid or before? Because we complain about that kid or before.
That means that no matter what kids you see, you will still complain. Now that means that this whole game is just meant for a certain type of winner and person. So if it's like that, then
it more takes one step backward. When you mean a certain type of winner, like Nigeria not expect big man picking when you get money to partake for the game. Now you try to talk about.
Yes, now that's how it's always been. Everybody knows the truth. So ask your listeners now. Are they lie? I know they lie now. They know.
So now you feel saying now waiting they actually affect your game, whether you play kid wire or you don't play kid wire. Because people feel say, what's he here to do? Your part get money and you get money and waiting one can do for you want to drag money from people.
Now the fame I won't collect. I don't talk this thing every time. Now the fame I won't collect. Nobody the money I won't collect. See, if I want this money will go straight into my foundation at the dispute sign between the charities I'm running.
Because 120 million be like small change for you.
No be small change. I know. I beg I don't know Miss Yan. No be small change. Money is money. But I dey chase the fame. I don't talk that one already. You understand?
Then outside of the house right now, I did go back to your statement when you talk say all of them inside the house will not reach your level. It might not be the same content, but not reach your level because outside the house they're not near you. Now when B say you don't get chance to meet these people 3 years ago, I meet more people now after 3 years inside this Big Brother Naija. You feel say an existing friendship feel happen outside of the house.
Yes, of course. In fact,
and who be those people when you see as the real G inside the house?
Even before I went into lockdown, I threw a party for Crossroads. I don't invite everybody. Everybody came. About 8 of those people were there inside All Stars came to my party. Plus other Big Brother people came. Yeah. There's about 30 Big Brother stars. I don't carry all of them go buzz bar after. So you know what I mean? Said normally I be guy where I want to bring everybody around me, make it all enjoy. You understand? So. But I think be friends with everybody in that house. I think for another party, invite everybody. Because life inside the house is different than life outside the house. So outside the house, we feel chill. We feel just say, guy, the house, no reason I'm not just game. I'm that kind of person. Do you understand? So I feel be friends with everybody in that set. All the girls, all the guys. Things about me, I love everybody. I love all of them. I respect all of them. That's why on the show, you know they see me misyan to anybody. You know they see me shout. You know they see me talk bad. You know they see me insult anybody. You understand? That shows you I respect everybody. Inside and outside. Inside and outside.
So possibly they say if you see follow then the rapport.
100%. No, 100%.
But if I ask you personally, who be the realest G inside the house among the guys then? From Neo to Cross to Pere to White Money. I don't know how your relationship be with White Money, Andre, but who be the realest inside the house?
Cross is my brother forever. That guy has got my back 100% inside and outside the house. White Money is a real G. I love that guy. That guy is very calm. He's a very, very good human being. You know, I think he's very misunderstood, but he's a fantastic.
White Money.
Yes. He's got a fantastic heart and personality.
Yeah.
Perry as well is a very emotional guy. You know, I think he's also very misunderstood. And Perry is a very good person. He's the kind of guy that will always have your back.
Okay.
Ike is solid. Ike is a real jack. Call him my thug life. You understand? Ike is a solid guy. Will always have your back, and there's someone that's also very misunderstood.
Okay.
Fraud's a great guy, a proud Igbo man. He's a father of a beautiful daughter. Yeah. Congratulations to him and his madam. He's a very good person. Sheyi as well is also a good person, and is from a strong family. You know, Soma is my. You know, I love Soma. You know, Soma has gone through a lot. That guy.
Yeah, which we they see.
Yeah, Soma has gone through a lot, even with his own personal problems outside the house. So, if there's anybody I really want to go far in this show and deserves it, I think it's Soma. He's a great human being. He's a great person. You know, he really loves an Angel and everything.
Hold on. You feel say anything when the waiting to happen between an Angel, Dairy, Soma and Angel?
I shall know that he likes the babe.
Okay.
That one 100%.
The babe like her?
Yes, now they like each other now. You know. See when he day inside house for that long, every day they see person. Every blessed day they wake up, see him. The good
you go grow
see him.
Emotional.
No matter what, even if it's game you play, you go still like that person.
Really?
No matter what. You can't tell me otherwise. And I lie.
Okay.
You understand? So everybody in that house, everybody is solid. I like everybody, Sha. So. Yeah.
Then just what do you feel about the statement whether they attributed to Sheyi on top that training his son to whatsoever run train you know what they talk about you as a man and probably a potential father Wetin be your take from the perspective?
What Sheyi did was very, very, very wrong and disgusting. What he said. I want to believe that he didn't mean it with his whole heart, and I want to believe that was not Shayo talk, but
alcohol.
I want to believe that because what he did was very, very wrong. And when he comes out, I go follow him talk and we'll have a man to man and say, bro,
discussion.
That thing was wrong. But his team made an apology.
Yeah, I get shocked say they will pre-record the apology down already. So I say they know say the guy go miss him before.
I don't know, but they made an apology, which is the right thing to do because you need to apologize as a father.
That was heavy to speak
and even
about.
His main man, Ford, is now also your father as well. So what he said was wrong, and it pained me for him to say that. But when he comes out of the house now, we'll talk.
We'll talk on reason.
We'll talk.
Okay, now moving personally, waiting day next for Kidwire right now.
So
because certainly I believe say the fame when you look for you don't see her, right?
Yes. No.
So waiting day next.
My military now. I get like 3 shows where I don't do already for UK. I get one more show coming out.
Okay.
I did plan for movie. I'm running my business KW and Co. Kid W and Co.
Cool. Waiting that one day about.
That one consultancy, talent management, and PR. So we they do. So my guy Davido, we don't do his album listening party in Manchester in UK. We they do Travis Scott and Soho House in
that's big doing
in Europe.
Okay.
We don't do Post Malone O2. And then also Rem Again merch, which is coming out soon. So we don't do all these things for Jans. Now, I won't bring her come here. So brands waiting for Jans. One day collaborate with Naija artists. So now me be the gap in between. You understand? So and then also my Kidwire Foundation as well. I'm very heavily involved with my foundation. And the foundation as well. Yeah.
The foundation where they focus on precisely.
So see, the thing is, one thing people don't know about me. I didn't run this thing for a very, very long time, but I not talk
even before the Big Brother.
Before I don't talk. I invest in. So what I do, we give money to all these other foundations like Spain's Water Foundation and GIPLC, which focuses on hospital treatment for severely disabled kids. If you get heart problem, you want to do surgery for Dubai. You got run out.
So why you not talk about these things? You can't be like saying now only club they use your money for.
That's the thing now. People only see one side of me, but me sometimes
because you post only the club, you know you post this foundation.
So now because sometimes I don't want to. You're not supposed to promote things where come from your heart. But now,
my brother promoter.
I want people to see that side of me now. So now, I the promote time, and you go see them more.
Yeah, okay.
Do you get? So watch out for that. Kidwire Foundation, GIPLC, and Space Water Foundation. It's all on my profile. So
then you start talk about movie. You want to also go into movie production?
Yes, no, for sure. I'm definitely going to go into movies. We get one movie we won't do for Jan, and then definitely you guys will see me in the Nigerian movies soon because I don't brush up on my pidgin. So
you want delay. I know your pidgin don't try.
They try that compared to before. Yes,
no,
you don't upgrade small. So don't worry.
The only way I did that now your dance. Whether if you see uses your most rotate dance.
Everywhere tight. You want make I rip my trouser.
Okay, so apart from those other arrangements, we they see because you really talk about serious relationships that he has. We they see Kidwire they settle down soon, or we just need to wait a little bit.
No, you guys definitely wait a little bit now. But as a day now, I don't settle now. I don't happy with myself.
But you never get baby mama yet.
No. If I get baby mama, she for talk now.
Nah, lie. People like when I go tell her, now go sign paper, say me not talk.
Which woman don't want to talk? They go talk. They go talk anyhow now.
So if you knock up for chest and no baby mama there anywhere, maybe they never tell you.
If you don't hold my picky, make it come out. Come out.
You don't even trust
yourself. Come out. Come out. Make you look me in the eye and say that me Bonham.
That means if like you trust yourself, like say you know the.
It's not possible. It's not for where.
It's not possible, right?
It's not possible.
People
don't even lie about them. They don't get the chance to even say that Kiva give me belly.
Because you did strap up at everything heavily, right?
Fun, quiet. You know me, I'm a married man now, so.
Okay, you did serious. Okay. Okay, so right now, what will be your last word, especially for the organizers of this Big Brother Naija All-Star, because in as much as it did beneficial to reviving the brand itself, it also did beneficial to those of you when they invite. So what will be your last word?
I want to say a very big thank you to everybody on the brand. Now my guy Fuad is now his Popsy, the owner, multi-choice.
Oh.
Yes, Mr.
I see why you tell their son and all of them. They're not
that's what I'm saying. They don't understand. The platform where they on. Now my friend gets person where they see on a regular. And they go to his house. His Popsy and my Popsy are like this. So
okay.
So I want
but not be the reason why they pick you, Sha. They pick you based on merit and your doings.
No, that one.
Not because they call your friend. You know, so that you put my name or else, may I not be friend again.
No, that one don't even make sense. No. But I want to say a very big thank you to all the organizers. You guys have literally Now they make us. You know what I mean? I'm very grateful. I always give love back. So shout out to Deneo, Coyote, and all those guys for Uche for making a great show. God bless you. We love you. And to the remaining BBL All Stars, you guys are all winners in my eyes. You're all winners in everybody's eyes.
But who you feel say go come out as the top three, last?
The winner?
Yeah, let's just say the winner. Who you feel say go win on this season? The 120 million. Who you feel say go carry and go? And they well deserving too.
I feel like, if I'm being realistic, I feel like my girl Sissy winner.
Sissy?
Yeah, that's my girl. She's my girl. And my other girl is Tolani now. But we have some very... I sure think that 5 girls will go there inside that final.
5 girls will go there.
It will be a woman's show.
So you feel say that woman will win on this year?
100%. 100%. I
For
feel
real?
like the women are strong. I feel like...
They came with their game.
They came with their game. You know, say this show is based on a lot of women followers, but I think the women will do very well. Top 5 women. Maybe one guy got just...
Go just there. Which guy go be that, so?
This one's a wild card there. But hear me out. This one a wild card.
Okay.
I don't know why I feel like Ike will be there. See,
Ike?
You know.
But you don't cross check Ike fan base. The Ike fan reach there.
No, see this one. Ike is the kind of guy that can win HOH, win immunity like that on the days that it matters.
Yeah.
And then he will just escape the other day. This game is based on some luck, you understand? Yeah. And based on some doings. But I just feel like Ike is he may just sneak
Make
in. I like to do a
final.
wild card. So let me just say Ike. But
so you know what about Neo? Neo, you know if you read Neo.
Neo is solid though. Neo will go far. He went to last week in my other set. So Neo will go far, but I just feel like, you know me, so I won't just find one underdog for guys. So I feel like Ike
go.
Yeah, Ike. I love that guy.
True.
So Ike, I wish, I want to take that final.
Okay, thank you very much. I really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you very much. So before you come on right now, your social media handle for those who like follow up, and I believe say you do open for brand ambassadorship and the rest. I be not it's too small for you.
Don't follow me, please don't follow me. You guys should avoid me. Don't follow me, talk. Don't follow me.
Why? Why? They worry your page, Abi.
No, they know now. No, but no, on a certain level. You guys know my handle already now.
Kid Wire, right?
They talk now, but I don't want to.
I mean, no one be say you want to talk. I'm going to get pride.
Yeah, but if you want to follow me, follow me now. If you don't want to follow me, then
that's at Kid Wire. May I help you talk?
If you talk, I'm now. Right.
At Kid Wire. You get pride, bro. Anyway, thank you. Wish you success on top of this your new fame where you don't adjourn the already existing fame, and we hope to see you shine more. You get
Thank
me.
you. God bless you, man.
Okay, man. Anyway, what's your favorite song right now?